You are going to love the 2022 Rio. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.